Hi guys, Craig here from Kibanio. I want to say a big thank you to Sandeep Seniorjit and all of the team at SoftProdigy for all your help and support over the last 18 months. When we started working together, Kibanio was a dream that I had and a complicated brief, as you guys will remember. And you've done a fantastic job to convert that dream into a reality and a platform that I'm truly proud of. So thank you so much, guys. It's really appreciated. You've got a brilliant team of developers there. I want to give a special mention to Ranjit and to Kajinder. You two guys have worked tirelessly on the project over 18 months. You've got under the skin of what it was I was trying to achieve, and all your hard work and dedication has really come to fruition in terms of a great product, end product, and I'm really grateful for that. I also want to mention Abhay, Amrit, Rahul, and everyone else who's worked on the project for all of your contributions. And finally, a special mention for Sandeep. Sandeep, you've been a great communicator throughout. You've really oiled the wheels of this project and made it work. And I appreciate the dedication and our chats on WhatsApp as well. So thank you for all of that. So finally, I'd just like to say that I'm really happy with the work that SoftProdigy has done for Kibanio, and would thoroughly recommend the company to others. And I'm looking forward to a strong and positive working relationship going forward. Cheers, guys. Have a great day.